All right, welcome back, guys. So, this is episode 5. We're going to be doing technical analysis. So, before getting started, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to get more videos like this. All right, let's get into it. First and foremost, we'll be going over support and resistance, trend lines, breakouts, and retests. Alongside, we're using multiple time frame analysis, right? So, as you guys can see, I actually marked up the chart before. So what I'll actually do, I'll just get rid of some of the stuff that's here. All right, I'll just keep the resistance and the ceiling to the side because we'll be using them shortly. All right, first and foremost, to do a multiple time frame analysis, what you're actually trying to do is figure out what direction is price going. So first things first, you can draw a trend line. I'm sure it would be right there. So let's zoom out. You can see where we have high highs, higher lows, continuing going up. However, price is currently doing what would be called a retracement or a pullback. So we'll be looking for sells in this instance. We can go on the 4 hour and see our trend line sells. So let's clean this. And we'll be jumping down the 1 hour. Can jump down onto 50 minutes and as low as the 5 minute. Let's zoom out and see. That's so good. The trend line is, it's right on top of it. Let's jump up back to the 1 hour and work with the 1 hour to do this example. So now that we know the direction that we're choosing using the trend line and the time frame, what we'll be doing now is looking for, let's just keep this here, looking for where our resistance and ceiling is. Now, for beginners, one of the key crucial things is, where do I actually put this? Look for the most recent swing high and swing low. So that would be the most recent point where the highest is, which would be here, lowest would be here. And just take it, just run it across right there, just like that, and run it across, just like that. Just using the previous ones, difference. All right, that's how we get our support and resistance. To understand what the support and resistance is, it's resistance slash ceiling, support slash floor. If you're looking for sells or the trend is going downwards, price needs to be keep on breaking down or through the floor, through support. Then from there, if price breaks through support, we now have the new resistance and ceiling, and then wherever price comes at that time would be the support slash floor. So it looks something like this. Price continues. Just go that. I'll show you. So this is where it will originally be. Price would have actually broken through. This is how it would actually look like. And retest and go down. So now you hear me use the word break, retest. So what are breakouts? Breakouts is when price breaks through the support or the resistance. That is, again, depending on the trend that you're working with. So let's just label that. All right, so let's just give it a name where the breakout take place. And where the retest took place. All right, so at retest takes place right here. The breakout breaks low and then retest, as I said right here. So this is the breakout. Comes down and retests, and it continues. And as I said, these will be moved down further. But that's after you've taken your trade. So that about sums it up. Quick and fast, nothing long. If you guys want additional explanations, just as I said, drop it in the comment below and I'll answer you guys or make a short or a video on it. Alright, that's it for technical analysis, guys. See you in episode 6. We'll be going over trading strategies. We won't be doing the trading strategies, more so just explain them and what they are. This is a strategy that I've actually went through using the trend, the breakout, support and resistance. But I'll show you guys in the next video.